Meow! Look at this. When I hit the drum really hard, the rice dances. Why is it jumping? Because sound makes things shake. That is our first big clue. Here is the weird part. If you played this drum in outer space, there would be no sound at all. It would be totally silent. We need to see what is happening to the air. Everyone, get ready to shrink down to a microscopic level. Sound is an invisible force that moves things in our world. To see it, we have to look very, very close. We made it. Look at the size of this rubber band. It's like a giant wall. Watch what happens when we pluck it. Boing! It moves back and forth so fast it looks like a blur. That fast wiggle is called a vibration. When something moves back and forth like that, we say it is vibrating. Meow. My throat does that too. Purr. My neck wiggles whenever I purr or talk. Every sound in the world starts with a physical wiggle just like that. When that rubber band wiggles, it hits the air. It pushes the air next to it. Let's look with our wave vision. This diagram shows the air moving in circles. We call these sound waves. It is just like dropping a rock in a pond. The ripples spread out in every direction. Meow! So sound is like invisible ripples in the air. Sound waves travel through the air to bring the noise from the drum to your ears. Not all wiggles are the same. Different wiggles make different waves. Fast wiggles have waves docked close together, making a high squeak. Slow wiggles have wide, spread-out waves, making a low, deep drum sound. Tall waves make a loud boom. Tiny waves make a soft whisper. Meow! Check out the blue whale. Its sound waves are so big they can travel thousands of miles through the water. The wave's size and speed decide if we hear a tiny squeak or a giant roar. Let's follow the invisible sound wave to see exactly where it is going. It is heading straight for us now. Inside your ear is a tiny part called the eardrum. When the waves hit it, your eardrum wiggles back and forth. Your brain feels that wiggle and tells you, I hear a sound. So back to my space drum. Why does it stay silent in the stars? Look around the drum. There is no air in space. It is totally empty. Since there is no air to push, the vibration cannot make a wave. No wave means no sound. Meow. Why did the drum go to the doctor? Because it kept getting beat. Hee hee. Without air or water to carry the wiggles, sound cannot travel at all. Quiz time. Shout out the answers if you know them. 1. What must something do to make a sound? It has to vibrate. 2. What part of your ear catches the sound waves? Your eardrum. Remember, sound starts as a fast wiggle. It travels in waves, and space is silent because there is no air to push. Now we can see how the world uses invisible waves to make all its noise. You can see sound waves at home. Ask a grown-up to help you with the dancing rice. Put dry rice on a metal pan. Get close and yell a loud word. Watch the rice jump. Your voice creates a physical wave in the air that pushes the rice and makes it move. Subscribe to the Open Learning Lab for more science adventures. Those physical waves are moving all around us, even when we can't see them. See you next time, explorers!